Suppose the cost function is given by c of x is 2x squared plus 7x plus 300, where x is the number of gerbils of doom. Who suggested gerbils? I added the of doom. Is that okay? I made it a copyright just in case. Is that okay?
We split the profits.
Sure. Yeah. 80-20. That's splitting. And C is the cost in dollars. Find and interpret. C of 10, C of 11, C of 11 minus C of 10. So that's basically what we did just here. So if you would do all three, then we'll do them together. Make sure this word is important. Interpret. A lot of students hate that word. I don't know why. Because you have to use your words. Use your words. It's going to be okay. You can't get away with that thing there. No. Those aren't words. So for this type of stuff, if you want to use a table in your calculator, that's a good use for it. If you don't have to retype the whole thing again, remember you can hit second enter and your calculator will retype in the previous line. So then you just have to change the 10 to 11. What do you get for C of 10? And in louder? 570. What's this mean? The cost of producing 10 gerbils of doom is $570. Very good. C of 11? 619. Interpret? There you go. The cost of producing 11 gerbils of doom is $619. And their difference, 619 minus 570, what do we get, 49? So this is the cost of producing the 11th gerbil. How do you produce a gerbil of doom?
A little bit of
maybe Marvin Gaye.
The second root. The father.
You totally went the wrong way with this. Just stop. Wow. I was sort of thinking like Lord of the Rings, where isn't that where the bad guys came from? They came from elves. Anyone see the movie? Orcs. The orcs came from elves because they torture them. Yeah. Don't torture gerbils. Yeah. They read the books. No, they came from. Remember the old guy with the hair? He's like, yeah, that guy. He's like, you came from elves. Part D, C prime of X. Then he says, you're going to eat man flesh, and it got creaky there. It's like, okay. Yeah, long-bearded guy of doom. What is C prime? I have to edit all that out. What is C prime of X? 4X. Who cares? 4X plus 7. If I win the award, I'll have them play that clip as a sample. 4x plus 7. 2 times 2 makes the 4. Take 1 off the exponent. 7 times x to the 0 is just 7, and the 300 goes away. So what is C prime of 10? Yep, 47. Notice, to find C prime of a number, or any function prime of a number, you don't put that number in first and then take the derivative. You take the derivative and then put the number in. Because if you put the number in first, you're going to get a number. Then the derivative of a number is 0. So you want to go in the right order here. Just like we did before. Find the derivative, then plug the number in. Alright, there's no interpretation for the derivative here. But what is the interpretation for C prime of 10? There's 2 ways you can say it. Is approximately. So correct. So C prime of 10, you could say, the cost of the 11th gerbil is approximately $47. Or you can say, cost is increasing by $47 per gerbil when 10 gerbils are created. Cost is increasing by. So what was the actual difference? 49 and our approximate 47. So those are pretty close.